Hello guys, morning. Welcome to another video. Yesterday we talked about the Euro USD and how it was faring. And I must say, if you took the shots that I told you to take in yesterday's video, look at it. It was very nice. I actually took some sales. I'll post a screenshot of the same. It was a very nice sale on this one. Very nice one. You can see here. Yeah. And today I want to only talk about Euro USD. And remember, today is also the NFP day. So be very careful if you are going to trade today. Okay? Be very careful if you are going to trade today. Because today will be a very volatile day. Oh, sorry. Today will be very volatile. Honestly, as for me, I think I'll be out of my trades, whether I'm in profit or not, or I'm not in profit at around 12 or 1. Yeah. Let's also refresh. Why is it not refreshing? Yes. Now it has refreshed. So yeah, we have some German retail sales, which is also quite volatile. We have hotels for today. Some Euro core CPI consumer price index, that's also quite volatile in the markets. We have the NFP non-farm payrolls. So from 4:30, just be careful with the market. You can either enter after the data has been submitted, or you can just wait. Even Monday is a good day to trade. No worries. Yeah, Fridays actually most people don't trade, including me. But sometimes I do trade. Fridays and Mondays I like to keep off unless there is some unless the fundamentals are not that heavy. So again I said pass by Bloomberg, pass by Yahoo News, whichever is your favorite. Yeah, you can see Safaricom chairman resigns less than a year. Yep. And you're going to don't worry, you're going to tackle also the Nairobi Stock Exchange. I've had people ask me about that. You're going to tackle those stocks and see which is good for you, or rather, which is good to be invested at the moment. Yeah. So what I'm doing, I'm just skimming to see what's happening globally. See, Tesla aims to mine its own lithium. We talked about Tesla yesterday. So it's your duty now to read about that Tesla going without and how it will affect the markets. That's now your duty. You won't get everything here, but you can connect the dots and see how that will affect the Tesla company. Mm-hmm. Samsung has its troubles, but generally the stock market has been on an all-time low, and also I expect before the first quarter or even the second quarter, stocks and crypto to continue falling. So you guys have a very good time to buy stocks, to buy crypto. It happens probably once in like 7 to 10 years. Yeah, the markets. I like to say the markets reset themselves. So if you can take it and then you hold your profits, you shall be good. You shall be good. So I want to talk about today's Euro USD specifically. Yeah, I want to talk about the Euro USD specifically, and I'm going to start with uh, weekly. It's on a very good sense. If you're a guy who holds trades on a weekly and a monthly basis, I think it's a very good sense. Yeah, but remember, if you look at the weekly, I remember guys we talked about this, but now it went the opposite way, but it was still a sell. Yeah, this green. We talked about early last year, was it on October? Yeah. So when you look at the when you look at this chart, especially the weekly, tell me you see something right about here. You see, there is some consolidation points here, some zone, some, let me call it some support zone for now. Yeah, there is some support zone here, you can see right over here, and also right over here, and this is approaching that zone. So it might be the charts will retest to this zone and then go back up. Yeah, remember, nobody knows where the market will go. We just wait and see if all these zones, whether it will retest, whether it will break. After it does that, that's when we get onto the market or we leave the market. Yeah. So our zone to watch right now is this zone. Yeah. 0 0 477, actually 0477, let's say, to 05000. That's our zone to watch for any retest. The behavior of the charts of the prices at this zone will determine whether you are going up or you are going down. So wait on it, and then you will see whether you're going to place buy orders or you're going to place sell orders, or you're going to short it or rather. This, remember, this is the weekly time frame. I'm using TradingView. Yeah, I like to do my analysis with TradingView. Again, this is the daily. You can see there was the zone that I've put right over here. It reached this zone and then it broke toward the side. So if you put your trades right about here, which is 0.03928, and then take your profit around here, that's almost a dollar would have given you almost $2,000 within 1, 2, 3, 4, within 5 days. So you can say within a week. Yeah. So that's how it is, and also track this chart how it comes. It comes back up to retest our zone, the one which we have put just right now, and then goes back down again. So ideally, you really have to wait, even if you have to wait for a while. If you are using the daily time frame, everybody uses different time frames, and I'll tell you why. You see, we have talked about the weekly, we have talked about the daily, we talk about the 4 hours, and then I'll take you also up to 15 minutes for the scalpers, which is the same thing you apply even if you're trading on the 5 minutes, even if you're trading on the 15 minutes. It's the same thing that I'm talking about here. So after the retest, let's say you get your trades at 0.02000, and then we get off here another $2,000. You've invested a dollar. You've invested 0.1, that's $200. 0.0, that's $20. That's how it works. And then remember the patterns we talked about. Yeah, the W pattern, the inverted head and shoulder, because I can see both of them right over here, and then check your buy. Yeah, there is also some negative divergence. Yeah, very good negative divergence right over here. If you can see this one, there was some negative divergence. There was some negative divergence right over here. Can you see it? Yeah. So that's a negative divergence. Yeah, that's a negative divergence. It tells you it will be a sell, and of course, after this point here, you can see the sell began to form. Even today, I expect a slight retracement, maybe up to 0.056, 500 there, and then it's back to a sell, especially at when the NFP comes out. But guys, I told you, even if my technicals tell me before I have my fundamentals, I like to wait on the fundamentals. But even today, I'm pretty uh, I'm pretty sure it will be a sell. But after this retracement. But guys, if you're going to follow me, make sure you use your stop loss. Yeah, make sure you use your stop loss. Do not let your orders exceed the yesterday's high, which is 0.06123. Put your stop loss instead, just in case the NFP comes out very volatile, of which it will. Yeah, this is the daily. You can see even the day before yesterday how it was behaving. Yeah, it was going down, then it retraced slightly, and then the previous day it went down and broke even the low of the previous day, which is this one. So let's look at the 4 hours. The 4 hours also had some good retracement, but sometimes they prove to be false. Look at this one. This was a good negative divergence, but when you look at the charts, it didn't give much pips as we expected. Yeah, it did not give much pips. So remember also to watch out for those false divergence. Yeah. Generally, if you look at the 4 hour time frame, you can see there has been a consolidation in between these zones. Yeah. So I just waiting. Any break between these zones, please take it for the long term. It will be a good one. It has been consolidating since even December. Yeah, as I said, if you look at this chart, the best thing you can never trade with is what I call the candlestick language. Yeah, if you know how to read the candlestick, you'll never go wrong. You don't even need these stochastic. You don't even need these trend lines. Yeah, do you know that? You don't need them. So if you look at the chart was able to penetrate here, but it was a false penetration, a false breakout, and then it went back down, came back again. Yeah, but something you should also know is these lows. The low became high lows. You see, the low was going up, up. That tells you that is an uptrending market. Yeah, even though it's not breaking the zone. So what you normally want to do is wait for it here, and then the next low, if it's a high low, you can take even your buy orders, place your stop loss here, sorry, and then you can wait for another retest. If it's not there, place even an extra order here, put your stop loss right around here, okay? And then if it breaks, that's some good, how many pips? That's some good 0.03, 2.06, that's a good 400 pips. So a dollar gives you almost $4,000 in a matter of 5 to 10 days. Yeah. So yeah, guys, the scalpers which use the 15 minutes, I personally don't use anything below the 4 hours, the 4 hour time frame. I never ever do that. So again, I said what you use in your daily in your forward is still the same that you will use even if you're scalping for 15 minutes. Yes. So for instance, I can see some negative divergence right over here. Yeah. I can also see before this fall came, there was a negative divergence again right over there. Yeah. So if you spotted this, you could have actually made a little bit of some cash, 0.06, 0.05, around 100 pips, which means a dollar are giving you $1,000. So it's just the essence is just uh, to be able to know this pattern, to be able to know the candlestick language. Yeah, that's the only thing with trading. You have to be able to know, especially the technicals. You can't control much of the fundamentals, but what you can control is the technicals. Yeah, and to see what this candlestick will give you. Yeah, if it will give you a buy, then you go for a buy. It will give you a sell, then you go for a sell. Ideally, that's how it is. Yeah. So okay, guys, let's check on Euro USD on Monday or Tuesday and see how the NFP will have affected the markets. Yep. So guys, have a good day. Have a profitable day. Yeah. Or just to clarify on something, please, if you're going to go long term, use just 4 hours and above 4 hours daily, weekly, monthly. Use those ones, and it will not be very fast for you. The bad thing about using this smaller time frame is that the market becomes so fast, very fast. Get so use the 4 hours daily and the weekly and monthly. So guys, you can follow us on Facebook at Eric Mwanda Capital, on Twitter at eMwanda Capital. You can also leave us a message at our website www.ericmwandacapital.com, and also you can subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not subscribed yet. We have good content coming for you guys. Very good content. Okay guys, have a profitable week. Have a great week ahead. Have a great weekend.